Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, on search you just need to write run, and then you just need to write %appdata%. Then what you need to do here is to go to on here and look for EA folder. Look for EA folder, and you just need to right click and delete it. Then you need to go to app data, local, then look for EA desktop, delete it, then make sure to completely close EA app because it won't let you to delete the folder here. So completely close it and then try again. And as you can see here, now you can delete it. And then go to EA Sports FC25 and then delete everything except data folder. So if you played FC25 before, here it will be the saves, right? And then what you need to do here is to relaunch EA app and wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. First go to library, then press on the three dots here, press repair, wait until repair process is done, and then launch the game and the issue should be solved. And after repair process is complete, you just need to launch the game and it will be no errors. And if it's not working, then press on the three horizontal lines here, then you need to go to help, app recovery, and clear cache files, right? Wait for a couple of seconds until EA app loads up. After you're back, then go to library, go to FC25, press on the three dots, then go view properties, and then wait for a couple of seconds, open folder, then look for fc25.exe, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program as administrator, apply OK, and launch game with fc25.exe file. And wait for a couple of seconds until game loads up, all right? And as you can see here, the game is loading. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.